आज का टॉपिक होगा स्फीयर। हमने स्फीयर करवाया था, लेकिन स्फीयर के कुछ क्वेश्चन थे जो हमने छोड़ दिए। आई विल डू दोज क्वेश्चंस। और वो क्वेश्चन ऐसे हैं जो बेसिक्स हैं, लेकिन एनडीए के एग्जाम में पूछे हुए हैं, और हमें आज वो सवाल करने हैं जो एनडीए में पूछे गए। पहला सवाल मैं आपसे पूछूंगा कि हमारे पास मान लो ये एक स्फीयर है और उसका डायमीटर के एंड पॉइंट दे रखे हैं 1 2 3, एंड यहाँ पर बी दे रखा है यहाँ पर 5 और 5 4 एंड सम। सो व्हाट विल बी इक्वेशन ऑफ दिस स्फीयर? एंड पॉइंट दे रखे हैं तो कैसे निकालेंगे? तरीका नंबर 1, हम चाहते हैं तो हम इसका सेंटर निकाल लें। सेंटर निकालने के बाद हम उसका सेंटर निकाल लें, और सेंटर के बाद उसका हम रेडियस निकाल लें। और रेडियस सेंटर मतलब उसका हाफ। देखिए यहाँ पर 5 + 1 = 3 and 2 + this is equal to 3 and is equal to, you find the center and then find the distance. But this is a longer procedure. You have a diameter form. Diameter form is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2, z minus 1 or z minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the equation in the diameter form. So you can use this diameter form to calculate the equation of the sphere quickly. That means x minus 1 into x minus 5, this is 5, y minus 2 into y minus 4, and z minus 3 and into z minus 7. Open it and you get the answer. X square plus y square plus z square minus 6x minus 6y minus 10z plus 5 13 and 21 24 is equal to 0. That's answer. My next question based on is this. Suppose this is the equation of the sphere given to me, and one end of the diameter of the sphere is given as 5 4 7, and you are asked to find this end of it. What is the end? The second of the end of diameter. The sphere equation is given and we are given the one end of the diameter. Find the second end of the friends here. When this is the diameter, we can find the center of this. Center is equal to 3, half of this minus half of this, and this is 3, 3 and 5. And then I said how to find alpha, beta, gamma. So alpha plus 5 divided middle one is 3, and you find alpha is equal to 1. That is 1 here. Okay. Similarly, beta plus 3 divided by 4 is equal to 7. So beta is equal to 8. This is equal to beta plus 4 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Therefore 6, this is equal to 2. So 2 here. And gamma plus 7 divided by 2 is equal to 5. And answer is equal to 3. The same answer I got. So question can be asked in one form. The one is when diameters and points are given to you, find the equation of sphere. Or secondly, when the one end of the equation of sphere is given and one end is also given, then find the second end of the diameter. This is one question that we go. The next question I will go for is when sphere equation is given and we want to see whether the sphere is real, imaginary or point that we are going for. We will have the question. We want to know whether the sphere has a real radius or it has a zero radius that we want to do. Well, here x square plus y square plus z square minus 4x minus 8y minus 6y plus 8z minus 8z plus 30 is equal to 0. Well, what is center of this? Center is equal to 2, 3 and 4. What is the radius is equal to 4 plus 9 plus 16 minus 30. This is equal to what? 29 minus 30. This is equal to it means this is a minus, it means here it as an imaginary sphere. It is an imaginary sphere. When you find the radius is a negative, imaginary. When you find is a positive, it is a real sphere. When you find is equal to 0, it is a point sphere. It is a point sphere. Point sphere is that sphere which have got radius is equal to 0. So whenever you are asked, it has been asked in NDA whether this circle has an imaginary sphere or not circle, sphere is an imaginary sphere or it is a real sphere or it is a point sphere. So this has been asked. So let me do another question based on it, and that is here. This is my next question that has been asked in the NDA exam. This is here, please. Equation is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x plus 4y minus 6z plus c is equal to 0. Okay, what should be c value? C value. What is the value of c? C if the sphere is a point 1, is a point sphere here. What this is? What is center? Let me talk about center. Center is -1, -2 and 3. What will be radius then? Radius is 1 plus 4 plus 9 and minus c is equal to 14 minus c. Well friend, I have to decide now whether it is a point sphere or imaginary sphere or real sphere. My question will be decided now. Now here I want to decide whether it is a real. If it is point sphere, then radius must be equal to 0. Then c must be equal to 14. This is the one. C is equal to 14. This is the one part here. C is equal to 14. And if it is imaginary, suppose it is a real one, then 14 minus c. This one must be positive. It means 14 minus c. This means 14 is greater than c. C is less than 14 is my answer for real sphere. And if it is imaginary, it has to be otherwise. C is greater than 14. C is greater than 14. Then this is imaginary. So we will find out. This question is very important for point of view of the examination, that how a sphere has to be a point sphere, it has to be a real sphere, or it is an imaginary, depending on the radius. If radius is equal to 0, it is a point sphere, and if it is a positive, it is a real sphere, and if it is negative, it is an imaginary sphere. Very important question to know the one concept. This is now the last question of the sphere for NDA. I am going to do is the next question is regarding the intersection of the suppose I got the intersection of a plane with this sphere. This is the sphere one, and this is the plane 12x plus 3y plus 4z minus 52 is equal to 0. This sphere is sectioned by the plane. When the plane is sectioned, then this gives a circular section. When a plane intersects the sphere, it cuts on a circle. This is a circle. The question is to find the radius of circle. The question is to find the radius of this circle. We want to find this circle is made. Then I want to find this circle is made. I want to find radius. Friend, how to find the radius? Let's make this triangle. This is the radius of the sphere. Radius of the sphere is equal to 8 square. It's equal to 8. What is this? Distance of the center. Center of this is equal to 0, 0, 0. Distance of this from the plane. So this distance is equal to 0, 0, 0 minus 52 divided by 144 plus 9 plus 16 is equal to 1. This is equal to 52 by 13 is equal to 4. This is 4, and therefore this answer is 64 minus 16 is equal to 48 under root is equal to 4 into under root. This is the answer. This is the answer. You have to find the radius of a circle. Radius of a circle. You have to find the here a sphere is given and plane is given. Now sphere is suppose x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 100. Okay, and this is the plane equation suppose is equal to x plus y plus z minus 1 is equal to 0. Suppose this is the 1 to 1. Then what is the radius of the circle? This is section. Well friend, this is equal to 10 square is equal to 10. Distance from the origin is equal to 0, 0. Distance down from the distance is equal to 0, 0, 0 minus 1. Divide by under root 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus c. This is equal to this is minus. Okay, 1 over under root 3. So 1 over under root 3. So let me take simple to go 4 into under root 3. Okay, so it is equal to 4 into under root 3. So 4 into under root 3 cut is equal to 4. So 4 here, and then radius is equal to 100 square. 100 minus 16 under root is equal to 84. That's it. This is equal to 4 into 21, and 2 into root 21 is the answer. So this is the one question I have done. When a plane intersects the sphere, it cuts into circular section. The question is asked how to find the radius of the circular section. When the plane cuts the sphere into a circular section, how to find this? So I discussed 2-3 questions. Number one, the question number one is that the how to find the diameter form. One diameter one end is given. How to find second one. Secondly, I found out when we say the sphere is a point sphere. Point sphere means the radius is equal to 0. While the real sphere, when radius is positive and when radius is negative, is an imaginary containing minus of that, minus iota. This iota, then it is called imaginary. When you count radius is equal to some imaginary quantity, imaginary sphere. And finally I said how to find the radius of the sphere. That I have a question based on the sphere which can be asked in the examination, that has been asked and that can be asked. So thank you for this. I have finished my the 3-dimensional geometry. My number is WhatsApp number is this 931379799. Kindly send your any doubts, anything, I will send you assignment on this number. If you anyone send the number, I will make a group of NTA aspirants and I will be sending the assignment to you. And if you got any doubt, kindly contact me. Thank you.